Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to show you real quick. My Sequoia sits on the street pretty much all the time. Drive my work truck for work, and on the weekends, or if it's street sweeping, then it'll get started up and moved. So it sits sometimes for a week, maybe even 2 weeks, and I just started worrying about the battery. So I started researching something that I could just keep a trickle charge on the battery, right? But I'm not next to any outlet at all. I'm on the street. I'm not going to run an extension cord out. So I looked up a little solar panel that I can just put directly on the battery, just let it sit there all week. So let's see how it's charging. This is a unit I got, little Amazon special, suction cups, but hey, window is pretty arched, so the cups don't even stick on it, but that's it. I know it's upside down, but you'll figure it out. Anyways, it was a cheap one. I didn't care because I just wanted something that was probably gonna work. And being out here on the street, if somebody steals it, I really don't want to worry about it. So as you can see, wire just comes down through, fed through under the hood, and right onto the battery terminals. Here, I'll pop this off real quick, so you know, not doing that. There you go, 13. You can see you're getting 20 volts. That's just on the charger itself. That's DC volts. So you just got that on the probes, on the connectors running up to the solar panel. So that panel's putting out 20 DC volts on a very, very overcast day. Sun's not out at all. You can see how foggy it is down the street, right? So another thing I thought about was, what if my wife goes to move this across the street and doesn't unhook it, right? What's gonna happen? Is it gonna blow it up? I don't know. So we're gonna find out right now. You can see, got it sitting there. Maybe you can see, I don't know. There it is on the dash. We're still plugged in down over there. Let's see what happens. Didn't pop or catch on fire yet. Let's go see. Oh, 13. So with the charger on it, keeps it right about 13, bounce between 13 and 12. While the truck is running, it's up on 14, run out the alternator. Start charging out the alternator. Well, that's it. That's all we got on this one. It's doing what I want, just keeping the battery good. Let me know what you guys do. If you got a better little setup. This one was cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks, whatever, on Amazon, something like that. Anyways, it was a cheap one. That's why I got it. I don't care if it gets stolen. I don't care if it, you know, the weather screws it up, whatever. We're just gonna leave it out there and keep that battery charged. Anyways, please like and subscribe. It really helps. Just getting this channel started, so need all the help I can get right there. We will see you on the next one.